Congratulations! You are hired. These are the most anticipated words if you are a job seeker. Did you know that using the right words on your resume could be the difference between hearing those most anticipated words and crickets? A single word could be the difference between getting hired or ghosted. I'm not kidding. Certain words on your resume act like magnets, and today, I'm showing you exactly how to use them. Did you know that resumes with power words are 30% more likely to get noticed by recruiters? I was stuck with a boring resume too, until I discovered the secret language that gets you hired. Let me show you exactly how to transform your resume into a job magnet. Welcome back to the Hiring Playbook channel. If you're new here, I'm a career coach and recruiter helping job seekers land interviews faster with smarter resumes, cover letters, and career strategies. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to transform your resume using power words that make you sound like a boss, not just a box checker. The Hiring Playbook channel, where we turn average resumes into job magnets. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for career-changing tips every 3 weeks. I used to send out hundreds of resumes and got 0 calls. Then I learned about power words. I swapped out weak phrases and bam! Suddenly, interviews were lining up. Let's dive into the magic of resume language that lands job offers.
Power what?
What are power words and why they matter? Using power words in your resume adds impact and credibility. Power words are carefully chosen verbs, adjectives, or phrases that make your resume pop. They help paint a picture of you as a doer, not just a participant. And recruiters? They love that. Today, I'm going to show you how to instantly upgrade your resume and make it stand out to recruiters without rewriting the whole thing. The secret? It's all in the power words you use in your bullet points. By replacing bland phrases with strong, action-driven language, you can turn your resume from forgettable into unmissable. In this resume makeover, I'll walk you through real examples of how just a few strategic word swaps can highlight your skills, experience, and achievements in a way that grabs attention from the ATS to the hiring manager's desk. According to a 2024 Hiring Trends report, resumes with strategic power words are 30% more likely to grab a recruiter's attention. All right, let's look at how we can transform a boring, bland bullet point into something that sells your skills to a recruiter. Take this example. Responsible for handling client emails.
Boring. Vague.
It doesn't tell the recruiter what you achieved or how you added value. Let's upgrade that. Here's the Power Word version. Managed and resolved an average of 50+ client inquiries daily, ensuring a 95% customer satisfaction rating. Now that tells a story. We've got a strong action verb, managed and resolved, a measurable impact, 50+ inquiries daily, and a concrete result, 95% satisfaction rating. This is what recruiters are looking for. Impact plus clarity plus action. See the difference? One tells a story. One is just there. All right, now that you know the power of strategic language, let's put it to the test in this section. We will talk about common resume mistakes and the resume makeover. Let's correct those common resume mistakes and transform your resumes into a job magnet. Let's face it, we've all had a version of this resume before. You know the one I'm talking about, the one you pulled together late at night, the one you sent to 50 jobs with 0 replies, the one recruiters scroll right past without a second glance. Let me show you exactly why that happens. Meet Emma Taylor. She's got real experience and solid customer service skills. But this resume? It's doing none of the heavy lifting. Let's break it down. The objective? It's vague and uninspired, looking for a job where I can use my skills. As a talent recruiter, that tells me nothing about what she brings to the table. Her work experience? Helped customers with questions. Okay, but how many? What kind of questions? Did she solve problems or just forward them? And the formatting? It's not terrible. She used Arial 12 font and she utilized spacing effectively, and for the font weight, she bolded words sparingly, just the headings. That's a good start. If you would like to know more about how you can effectively leverage fonts in your resume, check out my previous vlog on secret resume fonts recruiters love and avoid. Going back to Emma's resume, it's not strategic. It's missing power words, measurable impact, and that all-important recruiter wow factor. But here's the good news. Emma's resume is about to get a serious glow-up. I'm going to show you how to transform this from met to magnetic just by using better language, cleaner formatting, and smarter structure. Ready to see the makeover in action? Let's do it together. Okay, Emma is underselling herself. This resume is full of what I call deadweight words, bland, overused, and nonspecific. Let's examine Emma's resume. Let's take a look at the starters of the bullet points under the work experience. Helped, did, and answered lack action. How about Emma's objective? The objective is vague and self-centered. No measurable impact or results. No industry-specific keywords or power words. Let's transform Emma's resume into a job magnet by just using better language, cleaner formatting, and smarter structure. Are you ready to see Emma's newly transformed resume? Let's go.
Tada.
Alright, now let's break down Emma's professional summary after the makeover, and I'll show you why this one actually works. Emma's new professional summary uses strong, punchy power words. Words like results-oriented, streamlining, and enhancing aren't just fancy. They scream action and intention. These aren't passive, just showed up for work words. They're words that make recruiters say, "Okay, this person gets things done." Now we're talking. Notice words like resolved, developed, collaborated. They add action, results, and credibility. Emma's new resume uses the language of the industry. Phrases like customer satisfaction, reducing client inquiries, and response workflows are music to a recruiter's ears, especially in customer service.
Why?
Because they match what hiring managers are already looking for. This is the stuff that the job description is full of. And when your resume mirrors the job posting, you're more likely to get past those pesky applicant tracking systems. Lastly, Emma's new resume builds trust, and fast. That proven ability to resolve client concerns? That's a credibility builder. Even without numbers, it suggests that this person has real results to back up their experience. And that's the key. A great resume summary doesn't just say, "I did stuff." It says, "I did stuff and it worked." See the transformation? We didn't change Emma's job history. We changed how she tells her story. First, we swapped out generic phrases for powerful, specific, and action-oriented words. Second, we added measurable impact. Lastly, we use language that speaks directly to recruiters. And just like that, Emma went from overlooked to unforgettable. So here's your challenge. Open your resume tonight and look for the dead weight, phrases like did, helped, or responsible for. Replace them with words that show impact, such as executed, improved, led, streamlined. Start telling your story with power and purpose. Let's have a quick recap. Are you ready? Let's go. Weak verbs equal a boring and forgettable resume. power words mean credibility, results, and ultimately interviews. Thanks for hanging out with me today on the Hiring Playbook, where we turn job search frustration into confidence and clarity. If you learned something today, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our every 3 weeks job hunt tips.